Are you ready to take control of your financial future? Today, I'm going to show you how to achieve financial independence, something that can truly transform your life. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll know the key steps to building wealth and living life on your terms. So, what exactly is financial independence? In simple terms, it's when your passive income covers all your expenses, meaning you no longer rely on a traditional job to sustain your lifestyle. Imagine waking up each day knowing that your money works for you, not the other way around. That's the ultimate goal. Imagine you save and invest money regularly, and over time you build up enough savings to cover your monthly expenses, like rent, food, and bills. For example, if your expenses are $5,000 a month and your investments give you $6,000 in returns every month, you won't need to rely on a job for income anymore. This is financial independence. It allows you to live comfortably without worrying about earning money every day. But how do you get there? Let's break it down. Budgeting. Track every dollar you earn and spend. Use tools like apps or spreadsheets to see where your money goes. Emergency fund. Save 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. This safety net will keep you afloat if unexpected challenges arise. Eliminate debt. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt like credit cards. Debt is the biggest roadblock to financial freedom. Remember, the goal here is to get control over your finances so you can direct your money toward things that matter. The key to financial independence? Investing. Here's what you need to know. Start early. Time is your best friend in investing. The sooner you start, the more your money grows through compound interest. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Invest in stocks, bonds, real estate, or mutual funds. Passive income streams. Look into real estate, dividend stocks, or online businesses. Passive income accelerates your journey to financial independence. The key is consistency. Invest a little every month and watch your wealth grow over time. Here's a reality check. Financial independence isn't just about earning more, it's about spending less. Learn to live below your means. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Just because you earn more doesn't mean you should spend more. Remember, every dollar you save today gets you closer to freedom tomorrow. Achieving financial independence is a journey, and it starts with small, consistent steps. Budget wisely, invest smartly, and keep your eyes on the prize. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and most importantly, comment below with your financial goals or questions. I'd love to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and advice. Until next time, I'm Richie. Take care and keep working towards your dreams.